Welcome to Mindsmith Quiz. Like, subscribe, and let's see how smart you really are. Question 1.
What's 10 less than 100? Right, it's 90. 6 times 7 equals. Brilliant, it's 42. 1/4 of 44 equals. $11. The cube root of 27 equals. The answer is 3. 9 to the power of 0 equals. It's 1. 8 squared equals. Eight squared equals 64. 15 times 3 equals. Great job, it's 45. 20 plus 40 plus 60 equals. $120. 2 to the power of 5 equals. $32. 10 times 10 minus 25 equals. $75. 2/5 of 150 equals. Nice one, 60. Find the missing number, 12, 24, 36, 48. $60. Great. 3 times 4 plus 5 equals. $27. Good one. 60 divided by 0.5 equals. $120. What's 2/3 of 150? $100. Easy. 7 squared minus 4 squared equals. $33. If 3x equals 21, What is x? Excellent. 7. What's 25% of 400? It's 100. Simplify. 200 divided by 5 times 4. Brilliant. 10. Add. 45 plus 55 plus 100 equals. Easy. 200. Find the perimeter of a rectangle 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters. $30 centimeters. Find x. If 2x plus 10 equals 30. X equals 10. 12 cubed divided by 6 squared equals. $48. Right. 5 to the power of 4 equals. $625. 1.5 hours equals how many minutes? It's 90 minutes. The average of 8, 12, and 16 equals. The average is 12. 2 cubed times 3 squared equals. $72. If 8x equals 64, x equals. X equals 8. 1/4 of 360 equals. The answer is 90. 6 times 8 plus 4 times 5 equals. It's 68.
Great job, smart thinker. Drop your score below, hit that like button, and get ready for the next Mindsmith quiz. See you soon.